We actually wanted to talk about the ideology. We're not talking about the history here. We talked about all this in order to talk to you about the kind of ideology, kind of mindset these Kharijites have. And we talked about it already that these Kharijites actually consider anyone and everyone kafir, a disbeliever. Why? They say anyone that is ruling against the, or that's, the someone who's in the office of governance and is not discharging the duties as per the laws and rulings of the Sharia is a kafir, they say. And the people like us, Muslims, who are not telling them anything, who are not stopping them any from all that, because we are a kind of party to them, we are also kafir, is what they say. And the commoners, because they are not doing anything in order to revolt or teach them a lesson, they are also kuffar, they say. That's why for them it is easy for them. That's why they go ahead and blow people up, blow masjids up, like that is the ideology is. And look at some of the names that these people have. One such name that they, of course, like is Ashturat. Yeah, one of the names that they, of course, want to attribute themselves with. They would like to call themselves with that name. The Kharijites, I'm saying, would like to call themselves with the name Ashurat. Why? Because they refer to this ayah, Inna Allah ashtara min al-mu'minina anfusahum wa amwalahum bi anna lahumul jannah. That they think that they have sold their lives in order from Allah Azza wa Jal to give them Jannah. They have sold their lives, as they say, which is why they don't mind the name, Ashurat. Likewise, there is another name that they have, which is Haruri. We talked about, a Haruri the last time round. Another such name is Al-Mariqun, from the Hadith. They don't like this name at all. Al-Mariqun is something they don't like. Yamruquna min ad-dini kama yamruqu as-sahmu min ar-ramiyah is what we had learnt during the last time, that from this particular Hadith, the title is given to them as Al-Mariqun. They don't like this name either. And Al-Muhakkimah is another name that they have, Al-Muhakkimah, because they think that in al-hukmu illa lillah is something that needs to be, put into practice at every single place and every single. This is what they think. So today it is any ideology or any group that has any kind of resemblance or opinions or actions is considered a Kharijite. And these Kharijites mushroom from time to time, and they are being dealt with by Muslims from time to time.